In theory, when you have an IPP, there's supposed to be somebody at the IPP who can make the decision. Now, I don't know about you, but I have never seen that happen. What I usually see happen is that we have the IPP, I make the request, and then they say, okay, our funding committee meets on XYZ day, and we'll let you know right after that how. So if they don't have somebody at the meeting, if you make the request, they're supposed to let you know within 5 business days in writing after the IPP if you've been denied for something. But if they don't have an answer for you at the IPP, or if they don't have somebody there who can make the decision, they're also allowed to schedule another meeting within 15 days so that they can give you a decision. And that generally is the time frame for when the funding committee will meet, and then they'll notify you of what the decision was. So that's usually the way I see it happen. Now, different regional centers may do that differently, but that's kind of what the rules are in terms of timeline. So if you've requested an aide in writing and it's been a month or two and you haven't heard anything, like, you should be following up, because they should have given you an answer, yes or no, much sooner than that.